This is a review on the Linkswell 12-inch tablet style radio for the 2014 to 19 Chevy Silverado. Here's the unit. Got your HVAC controls on the outside. Media, volume, media tuner. Have it set up for the quick boot, so as soon as you turn the key, it turns on. I got all your basic. This is your home. There is the HVAC controls. You can adjust your temperatures, auto, AC, all your different functions. Or you can turn it off there. And it'll time out and go away. Let's see, you can go to your apps list. You can download any app. It is the Android tablet in here, so it's Play Store. You got your YouTube. Pulls up YouTube. Bad service in my shop, so it takes a little bit to load, but when you're out on the road, it works really well. Yeah, you got your full YouTube. Click on a video.
Better rip potato chip. Yep.
Full screen. Just click home. Takes you out of that. Here's the, has Apple. You can do your phone link, CarPlay, or Android Auto. Has a, comes with a dongle. You plug into your USB. You can use this one or any of the ones in here. I have it hidden in the console. Cord ran out. You just plug it into your phone. It syncs up full CarPlay. I can't do it right now because I'm recording the video on my phone. You click home. All your vehicle controls that you'd have on your stock radio. All those are right here. Go back home and go in your settings. This is your, you can pick which factory navigation you want. I use the CarPlay, so Android or Apple Maps, or whatever you want to call it. Date and time, equalizer, your brightness, and then up here you can also control your brightness. Here's some more settings. It does have capability of DVR, so you can add a dash cam, front cam, side cam, and DVR. I don't have that. I didn't choose to get that option, but it is possible. Your parking sounds. It does use a factory backup camera, temperature display, speed unit if you want, centigrade, Fahrenheit. And here's your boot time. So after 16 hours, it'll go into a, where it has to hard boot again, or it can go all the way up to 48 hours. And then I'm just gonna do this to show you the boot time. It is a little boot time for when it first powers up, but after you set your sleep time, it's quick, like I showed you at the beginning of the video. So it'll power off here, and then I did change my boot up screen. You can pick whatever picture. I chose a picture of my pickup. You can do whatever you want. Comes factory with the Silverado. But it does maintain all your factory controls, steering wheel volume, everything. Everything works as it should. The fit and finish is really nice. Everything fits up. Your factory air conditioned seats, heated seats work good. They just plug and play. So yeah, this is, yep, there we go. And it does have Bluetooth, auxiliary settings. Here's your DVR if you want to opt for that. I don't have it hooked up, so factory radio. I don't ever listen to FM radio, so I'm not even sure what stations are out here. Yeah, your steering wheel controls work as they should. Presets. And shut that off. One feature I did like is right here, the half moon. Hit that and it goes completely dark. So when you're driving at night, even though it does dim and everything, I like to have it as dark as I can, and just a single touch brings it back. But yeah, there's a lot of capability with this. All the inputs in the back of the unit. You have your RCA if you want to add an amp and subs. Yeah, pretty cool little unit. I did download the Torque app. I don't have my dongle with me, but you can have your Torque app up here for all your data, data logging and all that. Yeah, just a basic Android app or Android tablet. And open up your settings, go to more settings. That'll bring up your normal Android settings. So for your Wi-Fi, all your settings here that you'd have on your tablet or Android phone. But yeah, like my pickup is a 2014, so it didn't come factory with the CarPlay. That's one of the biggest reasons I chose to go with this unit. And it is a full 12-inch. Kind of dark in here because of my tint. But yeah, pretty much from your controls down here, top of the dash. Fits really well, looks factory. Yeah, I've had it installed for a couple weeks now, and I haven't had any issues. Everything works really good. Then you can download whatever apps. If you want to download games. Like me, I have a 1-year-old son, so, you know, driving down, hit the YouTube, you know, we can listen to nursery rhymes or whatever we want. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Bought this unit from ADC Mobile. Really good guy, Walt is his name. Answered a lot of questions and helped me through everything. Shipped really quick. He has his own YouTube page that goes through the full install. Really easy to install. I think it took me 2 hours. Start to finish, removal to finish. Start it up here. Put in reverse. One thing that's a little weird that I found was these signals are opposite of what the factory ones in the dash are. As you can see, I'm close to the door, back up a little. They start going out as you get closer, or these ones start lighting up. But that's no big deal that I found. So yeah, I'll get away from the door, put in reverse. Start getting closer, you get the beeps. And I'll pull forward here close to the tractor. Put it in reverse. There it shows the front cameras or front sensors lighting up. Then as I get further away, so yeah, just opposite of what the DIC shows, but doesn't matter to me. And get closer to the door, turn my wheel, has the lines assist, which I've never really found those helpful. It's all depending on how you know how to back up. So yeah, that is the Linkswell tablet style 12-inch for the 2014 to 19 Chevy Silverado. Goes in half tons, 3/4 tons, 1 tons. Thanks for watching.